Roundabouts are one-way, circular intersections that are designed to help improve the flow of traffic without additional wait times. Roundabouts are easy to use, and they can also be safer than traditional traffic signal intersections. That's due to slower traffic speeds within the traffic pattern and the decreased number of conflict points or spots where vehicles could collide. When approaching a roundabout, be mindful of signage directing you where to go and yield to traffic already in the roundabout. Watch and stop for pedestrians and bicyclists, allowing them adequate time to cross. When you see a safe opening for your vehicle, enter the roundabout. After entering the roundabout, avoid changing lanes and proceed around the circle until you see the road you want to continue on, then exit. By carefully navigating roundabouts like this one at Fortin Reserve, you help improve the flow of traffic and the safety of our roadways for pedestrians, bicyclists, and other motorists.